The video opens with a sleek shot of the Bajaj Avenger 400-2025, illuminated under dramatic lighting in a luxurious setting. Its bold and muscular design instantly captures attention, with the polished chrome accents reflecting the sophistication of a modern cruiser. The camera slowly pans across the bike, highlighting its aerodynamic lines, powerful stance, and a commanding road presence that speaks volumes about its character. A low growl of the engine breaks the silence, echoing through the space as the Avenger 400 roars to life. The deep exhaust note reverberates with confidence, signaling the bike's unmatched performance and raw power. The video transitions to a rider mounting the bike, gripping the wide handlebars that promise control and comfort. The Avenger 400 takes off, smoothly gliding onto an open highway, the perfect setting to showcase its capabilities. The video emphasizes the bike's striking details, zooming in on the advanced LED headlamp with its aggressive and sharp design, ensuring superior visibility on any road. The digital instrument cluster comes into focus, providing an array of essential information like speed, fuel levels, and connectivity options with crisp clarity. The seamless integration of technology and design elevates the riding experience, blending style with functionality. As the rider accelerates, the true essence of the 373cc liquid-cooled engine is unleashed. With an impeccable balance of power and efficiency, the Avenger 400 conquers stretches of asphalt effortlessly. The torque-rich engine delivers a thrilling performance, while the smooth gear shifts make every ride feel seamless. The camera captures every detail as the bike gracefully maneuvers through winding roads, its wide tires gripping firmly to ensure stability and confidence. The suspension system is showcased as the bike glides over uneven surfaces and absorbs bumps with ease. From sharp turns to long straights, the Avenger 400's responsive handling keeps the rider in control. Dual-channel ABS ensures precise braking, enhancing safety even during sudden stops or wet road conditions. The narrator highlights how the bike combines power and control to create an unmatched riding experience. A shot of the rider enjoying the open road transitions to a view of the bike's ergonomic design. The low-slung seat offers unmatched comfort, while the pillion seat with a sturdy grab rail ensures the passenger rides in luxury as well. The overall design speaks to long journeys, built for riders who crave adventure without compromising on comfort. The video shifts to a bustling cityscape, where the Avenger 400 weaves through traffic effortlessly. Its compact yet bold design makes it an ideal choice for urban commutes, offering the versatility to switch between city streets and open highways seamlessly. The narrator emphasizes how the bike adapts to any setting, proving it's not just a motorcycle but a companion for all journeys. The camera transitions to a premium showroom setting, where the Avenger 400 is displayed in its full glory. Enthusiasts admire its stunning design while learning about the bike's features and customization options. The video shows how customers can choose from a range of colors and accessories to make the bike uniquely their own. Test rides bring the excitement to life as potential buyers experience the bike's performance firsthand. Their smiles and reactions reflect the thrill of riding a machine that's built to exceed expectations. The showroom staff provides insights into the bike's advanced features, ensuring every visitor leaves with a deeper appreciation for what the Avenger 400 offers. The video closes with the Bajaj Avenger 400 riding into a breathtaking sunset, a symbol of freedom, adventure, and limitless possibilities. The narrator's voice emphasizes that this bike isn't just about transportation, it's about embracing the spirit of exploration and making every journey memorable. The screen fades to black, leaving the tagline, Bajaj Avenger 400-2025 Ride Beyond Limits, accompanied by showroom details and an invitation to explore further.